The Khasi Students' Union (KSU) on Thursday launched an indefinite sit-in demonstration outside the administrative block of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Neigrihms, Shillong, demanding immediate implementation of various recruitment-related policies, particularly the 80-20 gender reservation ratio in nursing appointments. According to the KSU, the protest would continue until the institute meets all the demands laid out by the organization. He stated that the union would not vacate the premises until the Neigrihms director personally intervenes and gives a written assurance to implement the demands at the earliest. While the director reportedly appointed a deputy to hold talks with the union, the KSU declined to engage, reiterating the stand that only a direct commitment from the director would be acceptable. The students' body is seeking implementation of a reservation ratio of 80% for indigenous women and 20% for men in nursing recruitment, enforcement of age criteria for applicants, establishment of an examination center in Meghalaya, and a broader review of the institute's recruitment policies, which they claim are skewed against the interests of local tribal communities. The union had also met with Meghalaya's members of parliament, who promptly wrote to the Neigrihms administration urging intervention. However, he alleged that the institute's director remained unresponsive and instead attempted to shift blame to the Ministry of Health. He asserted that the union possessed documentary evidence indicating that the matter falls within the jurisdiction of the Neigrihms Governing Council and not the Central Ministry. He further argued that with the Governing Council's approval, Neigrihms is empowered to address and implement all of the union's demands. The director's reluctance to act, he said, had left the organization with no choice but to stage a prolonged demonstration. The protest is being held under tight security as the standoff between the student body and Neigrihms administration continues.
Indefinite strike juga isu kan langjai beteng baik. But nisung tu iba kan kejung song kejung yang ni hi director umdan kejung sunyo kundiat ru ngila ya kendu yu munswa ngila submit memorandums halor ki mat ki beper ka bai dei bat kani ka rokom tungkang tungjam hapo Neigrihms kabalong palat liam kabalong persa ya ngi ki trai muluk jong kani ke jela bat kabalong persa ro teng ya ki rukom trikam hi jong hospital ki beper ki badan ha keleng dari India bakwat keleng percai ru ti ngila song ni mentala palat arp sau kanta bat niyo jingtip nang mentan sepang arpang ba director ulai sejendat sendan ni ke Neigrihms kabau lalik no sedeli berkini kejing lek kejing ukam dalak ban penbet igini kenrum kenram ha tungtham tungjam hapo Neigrihms ka pen iya kejing mungkin senyap yu tang kendiat ru ya kani ka hospital berkumju ru ya ki samlawat kamat jam berkumju ru ya upat ya beri nyu terap hi borok awe berkini kala pen bitar yangi bat namar ba kat bengeneng persang hi degal enti ke bajai-jai ngi pen ban ba uni director pen tron pen ban yangi mentang ngiru ngin haban ai tenge yu bat kani ka kalong ka kubur ka keruak seu kalong ba lada lahi ban penbet mardor ka medawa ka seng ya kini ki kenram ha ka tungkam tunjang ha Neigrihms kan bhai u bu song mesti sedeli bunum yu pejat su Neigrihms ban kaliang seng hi ngam sya yu ben yu pejat Neigrihms tan hadu undalala ban penbet igini kenram berkunjuru ka keruak alik ru saboro tu ginong hikmat jang sarkar jela ba kincu sngap kincu kabret be hikmat kapun iya pi ba primdan ke jike kli tang kendiat ru nak ta jelang ndrei kisukwa tangan song lagi kisuki jengki kapun saat pi pin mentoi pi ndrei kat ba kipat ba pade mangi kipat ba ngindang mat ke jing ngindang mat ke terha ke jing jing jar porot dala pi ke jing bamla jang sarkar ru ban intervene halor tani kamat ka kendrum kendram ka tungkam tungjam Neigrihms ka haban pelong ya ka isu man simpat saya kini ka rai man thanglat director bon wan yu pejat ni apon Neigrihms.